five for the water?
Yeah, each thing, each one.
Wow.
Then when they get sold, they let them down.
Yeah.
They just string out.
Right.
And let them down, they just keep growing. They
Yeah.
keep growing. They
Wow.
keep growing.
Wow.
And you got different varieties, you know, in here.
టమాటా చెట్టు చూసిర్రా టమాటా ఎంత పెడుగున్నా చూసిర్రా టమాటా వావ్
And you can do this and come with it.
we have tomato for this much size not more than that
Is that right?
yeah this is the maximum height you can see as a tomato tree not big this size you know
Yeah.
yeah
But they grow, most any of them grow
Wow.
like that now.
Wow.
If you'll say.
and how much is the production for each tree do you have, yeah okay. No problem but look at the size you know each
Yeah, but see, they're big different.
yeah
చూసిండ్రా మళ్ళా తొట్టిలాలండి తొట్టిలా
అది తొట్టిలా
ఒక తొట్టిలో ఇంత చెట్టు తొట్టిలో
okay you using the thread all the way okay
Yeah,
gotcha
yeah. See, you
Perfect.
lay it down.
Yeah.
You lay it down.
Right.
And that vine will run out on the ground here.
wow
And you just,
the biggest interesting stuff is you're getting all this stuff from this stuff, you know?
it'll all come to the pump. That's right.
సో
That's a beauty.
సో దే ఆర్ ఇన్ ద పార్ట్స్ మళ్ళీ ఇంకా చూస్తే ఓన్లీ కుండీలలో ఇట్లా పెరిగినాయి
Yeah.
సో హౌ డు యూ పిక్ డు యూ పిక్ విత్ ద సీజర్ అండ్ హౌ డు యూ పిక్ ద టొమాటోస్
Pick up a hand.
By hand, okay.
Pick with a hand.
Yeah.
బై హ్యాండ్
Pick them about
And
every day.
all these are organic? Organic or
Yeah,
they-
oh yeah,
oh,
oh,
okay.
yeah. They have no pores. And,
Yeah.
You know, this is how it's like. Ain't no way for the insects to get in here.
Yeah, and one more good thing is each row has its own different seed. It's not the same seed, different varieties in the tomato.
That might be an acid tree, you know. Just you might put it together.
Yeah. Wonderful guys.
Yeah. And you can put this in any climate. So you got these.
ఒక్క చెట్టు తొట్టిలో పెట్టిండు
తొట్టిలో పెట్టి ఈ type of production. And this is to maintain the temperature.
Yeah, it's got gas heaters in here. It's cold.
Okay.
But most of the time you are.
Right.
You need to cool it.
Right. Yeah, that's a cutter.
మీ అమ్మాయి అయితే రచ్చ మిరాకిల్ కదా అవయ్యా అసలు నాకు ఇట్లా ఉంటుందని కూడా తెలియదు.
ఉంటుంది ఇది గ్రీన్ హౌస్ పెంపకం కదా
Green house. మనం చూసుకోవడానికి అంత వస్తుంది.
Suckers, take them out.
Okay.
And now this is to make tomatoes where the blossoms are.
Gotcha.
So they don't have no blossoms, you take them out.
Gotcha.
we don't need that okay
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
But if it's got the blossoms on it, it'll make tomatoes.
Okay.
These don't.
Perfect. Gotcha.
They keep them so.
Yep. Good. Very good.
Yeah, this is really good operation.
Yeah.
Tomato.
You break a lot of
This is greenhouse.
Greenhouse and you are growing in the pots only. With the pots you are getting so much yield. That's a wonder. Really.
We don't-
These fans for the-
Yeah.
They go different.
So what fertilizer do you use? Like
Do you use fertilizers for it or any?
They put a fertilizer in them pots and suck it out. How much you want?
or with the water
Does
only?
it circulate through water?
Oh yeah,
Wow.
right through the water.
Okay.
చూసా పెస్టిసైడ్ కూడా నీళ్ళలో కలుపుకొని డైరెక్ట్గా ఎక్కడ వేసేదేం లేదు.
I think this is
అన్ని దానికి వెళ్ళినా
Everything through the water.
through the water and this is the pipe which gets
Yeah,
through.
so that pipe.
Right.
Feed whole line. Feed one line.